Great Britain. Canada getting onto the podium now. And Australia, excuse me, we have Australia, and Canada. Australia is definitely doing a good job in the small boats today. So again, this is the award presentation, the medal ceremony for race number 6, the 2,000-meter small boat Junior B women. Australia took the bronze with a time of 10:59.49. Canada with a silver medal at a 10:42.32. And Australia taking home the gold with a 10:38.64. A Canadian silver with Australia taking the gold and bronze. That's Australia receiving their bronze medals at the moment. Canada with their silvers. And of course, Australia putting on that gold medal. We're going to have to get Richard down there to give us a look at these medals close up so you folks at home can see these. And we're going to go over to Windsor for the race results.
All right, thank you. Now, what just happened was race number 9, 2,000-meter small boat for Junior A and B Open. Let's start with the Junior B Open with 2 boats coming in. Second place, United States, US, with a time of 10 minutes, 09 seconds. First place, Australia, with a time of 9 minutes, 40 seconds. For the Junior A Open category, in 5th place, we have GB, Great Britain, with 11 minutes, 47 seconds. And the United States coming in 4th place, 10 minutes, 29 seconds. GB again in 3rd place, 10 minutes, 05 seconds. 2nd place, 9 minutes, 48 seconds, just 7 seconds away from the 1st place, Canada, with 9 minutes, 41 seconds. Do take note that these are the interim results, and the chief official will have to sign off before they are formalized into the approved and formal results. So these are the interim results for the Junior A and B Open 2,000-meter category small boat.
DBF World Nations Drag-A-Boat Championships here in Welland, Ontario, Canada. It's very hot outside, but there's a tremendous atmosphere all around the grandstand, which is absolutely packed full of spectators, family, friends, all wanted to see their own friends and family who are competing on the podium. And there we see Canada and Australia all together taking a fantastic group picture. This is the youth of the sport. It is the future of the sport, and I know Canada and Australia have very strong youth development programs, often fielding more than one team in these races. I think the Auroras is the name given to everybody competing for Australia. I went there in a few months ago to the Australian National Championships, and it was very well organised. A lot of people turned up, And so it is congratulations to these Australian youngsters as they walk off the podium and either go and chill out, go home, go and sit in the stadium and watch the rest of the afternoon. But they have achieved, and now we're coming up for our next race, which I believe is a standard boat race. Marie,